وقال علي عليه السلام: نعم القرن الرض، والعلم وراثة كريمة، والأداب حلل مجددة، والفكر مرجاة صافد.
Knowledge is a precious inheritance, and good manners are like new ornaments, and thought is a clear mirror. Amir al-Mu'minin, Imam Ali, AS, points to three important things in this wisdom. 1. Knowledge is a precious inheritance. A person traveling from this world to the hereafter leaves behind either knowledge or wealth as inheritance. Imam Ali, AS, describes knowledge as a precious inheritance because of its virtues mentioned in verses and narrations. Allah says in the Quran, Allah will raise those who believe and those who are given knowledge in ranks, 58:11. The Prophet, PBUH, says, the superiority of a scholar over a worshipper is like the superiority of the full moon over other stars, Mizan al-Hikmah, Volume 8. Knowledge has inherent superiority, making it a precious inheritance. Whoever inherits it becomes fortunate, and the deceased receives reward through it, left behind in the form of books or students, unlike wealth. 2. Good manners are like new clothes or ornaments. They make a person beautiful in others' eyes, like a woman adorned with jewelry or someone wearing new clothes. Good manners and virtues, humility, patience, trust, contentment, etc., make a person look good and beautiful, independent of their lineage. A hadith says, good manners compensate for lineage, Bihar, Volume 72. 3. Thought is like a clear mirror. Without it, one can't distinguish right from wrong, just like a mirror with dust can't reflect clearly. If the mirror of thought is clear, one can see the path of truth clearly and walk on it. Such thought is better than a year's worship, as a hadith says, an hour of thought is better than a year's worship, Bihar, Volume 68. In summary, Imam Ali, AS, draws our attention to these three important points.